All right, so these apartments have been recently built here, and as you can see, they get it right. They have a bunch of charging stations for electric vehicles because, as you may or may not know, it's you live in apartments. It's not easy to charge your electric vehicle because they don't sometimes allow you to make the changes to your apartments, or I don't know, some other reasons there's no space to put it where you park the car. So your option then is to drive to Starbucks, go charge the car. Maybe at work they have some charging or stuff like that, but this at least makes it easy to charge your car. There's a couple more here, so it looks like there are about 10, 12, and I counted about 20, 30 electric vehicles over here. So yeah, that's I guess some good progress. Let's see, now there's actually more because each one has two chargers, so maybe 20. I wonder if there are any more on the other side. Yeah, so not bad.